What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another summer vlog, edition 5, if I'm not mistaken, or edition 6, somewhere around there. You'll know about the title. But anyways, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. I appreciate the whole support, even if just a view. And you know, if it's a like, if you like this video, give it a like. If not, dislike it. Doesn't really matter. But anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching all my videos here and there. I'm trying to, you know, keep the grind going almost every week. Take out a video once a week if I can. Right now I'm working on a lot of projects here and there. I'm trying to do some documentaries with my fellow friends here that do like creative arts. You know, it doesn't have to be just photography, it can be music, painting and all that stuff, but I'm just starting getting into that type of work. I'm not getting paid or anything, I just want to do it for fun because I feel like that's the type of thing I want to do with video work. Anyways, I think I kind of rambled off. Let's get this started with this vlog. So I asked you guys on Instagram which lens I should be using for my next GoPro video. It's going to be a challenge, either the 50 and the 70-210 and the 50mm 1 by 66 over 34 of the 70-210. I just want to go out and take some photos with one single lens that I go out in Seattle for one setting instead of taking all 3 lenses that I own. But yeah, it's going to be great actually just using the 50mm, challenging myself to not, you know, zoom in or zoom out, and that's going to be perfect. But anyway, stay tuned for that. And now that we're on the topic of the 50mm lens here, I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about the one that I have. This is the one from Canon. It's the 1.8. It starts around 125 bucks. You can find it also used maybe for less than 100. This lens is great for portraits, street photography, low light situations. If you guys are into like getting that shallow depth of field, then I highly recommend a 50mm, especially for the Rebel series, then 80D, 90D, even for the Canon EOS R, which I use sometimes. I shot a couple of portraits of my buddy here, as you can see here. And do know that also Nikon and Sony have their own affordable 50mm lens here and there. I'm not sure what aperture it is, but I've seen a few here and there that are really affordable, probably less than 200 bucks. So if you're in the market, just go for that 50mm. All right, so for today, I'm actually searching for some photography spots in Seattle. I already have one spot in mind that I've been like, you know, itching to go to, getting some like cyberpunk type futuristic vibe. I just need to go with someone with their car and just stand there for me. And the other spot, I need to go out and scout it only because I'm not sure of the parking situation or how it's gonna be. I'm probably gonna go do that today, maybe not. So treat I have for you guys today is gonna be my playlist that I use for editing photos, or I'm on the way to, let's say, take photos. It's gonna be called Music Times Photography, basically my own little playlist that I made. It's gonna be kind of, you know, like hip-hop-ish, lo-fi music, jazzy. I'm really into a lot of jazz music lately, and this includes like artists, you know, like Logic and Loyal Corner. Loyal Corner is obviously one of my favorite artists, but if you guys want a playlist, go ahead and check this one out on Spotify. Also, did you guys see Olympiacos today beat Manchester City 3-1? I'm actually really glad they did because I'm a Manchester United fan, and also Barcelona lost to Bayern Munich yesterday 8-2, and I'm like, damn. Basically, I'm not a Barcelona fan, I'm not a Manchester City fan, and I'm so glad they're out of the Champions League. Alright guys, so we are here in Seattle today. I'm with my buddy Aiden. See right there, I'll put his Instagram down below. So we're going to be shooting street photography with my 50mm. It's going to be the photography challenge.